Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Firewall Install Helper DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Quickly resolve Firewall Install Helper inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Firewall Install Helper, a localized helper library used by application installers to programmatically modify Windows firewall rules. It facilitates the localized opening of ports required for the software to communicate over the network. Failure results in a localized access denied error during installation. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. When a core file like Firewall Install Helper DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Firewall Install Helper, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Firewall Install Helper DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Firewall Install Helper. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Firewall Install Helper working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.